Honey, can you do the Goliath song?
To eat is the white sun with the sun on the big man's head.
Do you see Lucy and
Yeah.
On the big man's head. The rest down.
Okay, should we sing the whole song? Ha, ha, said big Goliath to each Israelite.
Stand up. Stand up, guys.
I prefer to sit down.
We're gonna watch you.
I'll stand up. Ha,
Sounds
ha,
good.
said big Goliath to each Israelite.
Light.
I am so tall and you are all afraid to come and fight. No, no, said young boy David, even though you are so tall, the Lord will help me fight, for he is the King of all. Thud, thud went the stone on the big man's head. Goliath fell down dead.
I want to sit down. Cheers for the week with the man.
Okay, can you do the actions now?
Do the actions now. Remember this?
No, nobody.
No, you do it all by yourself.
Yeah. But use your fingers, remember?
Cheers for the week with the man. A week with the man. See, count up and just sit them up.
Hi, Hannah.
Climb up in the tree. Climb up in a sycamore tree.
Lord.
I'm turning up the tree.
Oh, okay.
Looking for the tree. Where's the tree? So hard to find a sycamore tree. Where's the sycamore tree? Climb it. Climb it.
Oh, that's the tree. Okay.
Okay.
How many peanut butter cups did she have?
No, honey, don't actually climb it. Just pretend.
Okay, so he climbed up in the sycamore tree for the...
Lord came to see.
I don't remember a ta-da in Zacchaeus.
Ta-da! Come down
For I'm going
to
to
your house today. Ta-da!
I'm turning up the tree.
Ta-da!
Where'd you go?
Hannah,
Said, look, he's got
Hannah.
a little bag with a little bag.
Hannah, why did Jesus want to go to Zacchaeus' house?
For lunch.
For lunch.
I'm working right now.
You're working?
Do
Okay.
Did you do